In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if someone sent you money on PayPal. Whether you're waiting for a payment from a friend, family member, or a client, it's essential to know how to quickly and accurately verify that the funds have indeed arrived in your account. The process is straightforward and can be done in just a couple of steps, giving you peace of mind. To begin, you'll want to log into your PayPal account. Once you're securely logged in and on your main dashboard, your first destination is the Activity section. This is usually located in the top navigation bar or menu, clearly labeled as Activity or Activities. Think of the Activity page as your central financial logbook within PayPal. Every single transaction you've made or received, going back quite some time, is meticulously recorded here. It's the dedicated hub for reviewing your payment history, checking the status of transactions, and understanding where your money is coming from and going to. Clicking on this tab will take you to a comprehensive list of all your recent financial movements, setting the stage for you to find the payment you're expecting. Now, once you're on the Activity page, you'll see a chronological list of your transactions. What you're specifically looking for to confirm a payment received is an entry that displays a plus sign, typically colored green, directly before an amount. This plus sign is the universal indicator on PayPal that money has been added to your account balance. For example, if you see an entry like plus $50 or plus 25 pythons, this unequivocally confirms that $50 or 25 pounds, respectively, has been successfully sent to you and is now available in your PayPal balance. Conversely, if you were to see a minus sign before an amount, that would signify money you have sent out or a payment you've made. Each transaction entry will also typically show additional crucial details such as the sender's name, the exact date and time of the transaction, and often a brief description or note. If you're expecting a payment from a specific individual or for a particular purpose, you can quickly scan this information to locate it. For accounts with many transactions, PayPal provides excellent search and filter options. You can use these to narrow down your results by date range, transaction type, or even by the sender's name, making it much easier to find exactly what you're looking for.